Okay, let us continue with the sculpture, page number 16. Important specimens include the sculpture of the meeting between Mallama Desai and Shivaji Maharaj at the time of his Karnataka campaign. So even you can't imagine, the paintings were also showing the picture of the meetings of the people. Our Shivaji Maharaj, he met with someone, how was the meeting done? Even that way was shown in the form of the painting. So this way the meeting between Mallama Desai and Shivaji Maharaj was shown when they had met for the Karnataka campaign. The sculpture at Bhuleshwar temple, including sculptures of individuals and animals, example elephant, peacock, monkey. So even these were shown in the sculpture form. Example, they have given elephant, peacock, monkey. So even animal sculptures were there. The sculptures on the Tok temple and the idols within Tok temple का जो sculpture था और उसके अंदर जो idols means what? मूर्ति. Idols means what? मूर्ति. तो उसके अंदर की जो मूर्ति है, that was also shown as a painting. The Tok temple and the idols within that temple was shown as a painting. Then the Trishund Ganpati temple in Pune, this was also shown. The memorial to Punya Shloka Ahilyabai in Madhya Pradesh, the sculptures at the Mohindraj temple at Nevasa. So these all were shown as the ways of sculptures. Okay. Metal idols. Idols means what? Murti. Okay. Idols means what? Murti. You know na? Yes. Now metal ke. Metal, you remember that ऐसे ठक 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 metals के भी idol आते हैं ना? Not only the one which is made from the ceramic clay or that way. Metal idols are also there. Now what was बोलते थे ना, वो धातु जो रहता है वो बहुत important रहता है. So some gods were sculptured by using those metals. The Peshwas had specially commissioned the metal idols of Parvati and Ganpati in the Parvati temple for the purpose of puja. I told you, some are the specific gods that we have to develop them in the metal so that they are worshipped, and they are kept in the temple for so that pujas can be done to them. So this way, which metal idols were there? Parvati and Ganpati. In which temple? In the Parvati temple for the purpose of puja. What do you mean by commission? Commission means what? You have to produce specially to order. Means these were prepared on order. If suppose someone is ordering, because it was really expensive, okay, metals idols were causing more expenses. So that's why you have to produce those only on the orders. So on orders they used to prepare these metal idols. Wooden sculptures were also seen. Okay. Literature. So let us see now literature. Important forms of literature include the compositions of the sons, mythological narratives, tika, literature, ovi, abhanga, treatises, narrative poems, biographies, artis of deities, pavadas, bakars, historical letters, and etc. These are all the form of literatures. Literatures means whatever the son or the great people used to say, sing or compose, they were given in the forms of pavadas, abhangas, or sometimes they used to put it in the letters or any form, whichever was the great deeds or whatever the great words they had to think and they used to enact, they were given in the form of all these literature. So in that you can see the mythological narratives mean the old sayings, old ancient people, what they used to say, what they were carrying that importance, those had become the narrations. And then tika, literature, ovi means against some Marathi poems which has sung in the rhythmic way. Okay, those are ovis, abhangas, artis of deities. What do you mean by deities? God or goddess. So special artis of God and goddess. We are having each god or each goddess arti is there. Yes or no? All these things come under the literature. So these things were also found in that time. Then drama. At Tanjavur in the south, Marathi plays has emerged near the end of the 17th century. So even see what they mean to say that everything what happened in our history was shown in some or the other form. It was shown in the form of paintings, sculptures, dramas, idols, or any with the literature. So many things were there to show the important things happened in our history. So even plays were happening, dramas were happening, in which they used to show the dramas, and this was these plays, Marathi plays, had started by the end of the 17th century. Sarfoji Raje encouraged this art. So who further encouraged this art? Sarfoji Raje. Then songs, music and dance were prominent part of this play. So in plays it will not just the people will stand and just keep on saying, okay, in Ramayana this happened, that happened, that happened. No, play means it will be a very nicely planned and shown, that with the help of the characters, through the ways of dances, through the ways of their acting, all these things were there. Music, dance and acting were included in the plays. So far we reviewed the medieval period of history and the rise and expansion of the Maratha power. Yes or no? Up till now what we have seen? We have seen that how was the medieval period of our history and how we had expanded our Maratha power. Up till now in this history, in this standard, we have been studying up till now this only. Yes or no? Next year we shall study the modern period. Okay? So with this, we finish our lesson. Bye. Take care.